Hi friends, it's Sandy with Beautiful You here, and I am doing a unboxing or unbagging, so to speak, from a company called BeeBeeCrafts, and they asked if, in exchange for some free product, if I would show it to you and review it, and then in the future I will do some crafts with it. So just showing how the bag it comes in. It comes from China. It didn't seem to take too long, maybe about 2 weeks. There was a signature required. I don't know if that's always how it is or if they just did it that way because they were sending it to me for free. So, and then it comes all wrapped in bubble wrap here. So I just wanted to show you exactly how it's packaged. So I've watched some other reviews before I decided to do this, and everyone got their products, and I've seen some really fun things out there. Sorry for all the noise. I just wanted you to see how well it seems like it is wrapped. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to take the little paper out. Excuse me, that was the packing list. So one of the items I got was a bunch of organza bags. So let's open these up and take a closer look. And as you can see, there's a bunch of different colors. So we've got black and a beautiful blue, and this is kind of like a ivory. Two different pinks, kind of like a rose pink and a bright pink. Oops. Purple and green, orange, kind of royal blue, and a yellow. And these are even more colors, kind of like an olive green, a light blue, a fuchsia. This is brown, another purple, and it is different, and a yellow. It's a bright yellow, so it's a little bit different than kind of this goldish or mustard. A really pretty silvery gray, and my dog is hacking in the background. A white, and a red, and a burgundy, so a whole lot of different colors. And I do not remember how many came in here, so let's see. I will assume, and I don't think it says on the packing slip. It might, 200 is what I'm seeing quantity wise. It's kind of a bad picture on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, 10 in each. So 10 colors of each. So these will be really nice for gift giving, and things I'm selling on Etsy as well can probably go into those bags. Let's move some of the crinkle. And then here you can even see the BeeBeeCrafts right there. Cute. Alright. This is some clasps. Or are these some beads? Oh no, these, I don't even remember what I ordered. These are, they're clasps, but they're for like at the end of bracelets. Uh-oh, am I going to be able to figure out how to open this? Oh, they're individual. Hold on a sec. They're taped. They're all individually taped. Let's see if I can get one off for you. I've seen some of the other beads, and it's really nice how they just come in the nice little boxes. So this has got, you know, the individual snap closure. And then these are for doing toggle bracelets. I'll stump them out. Oh, I get it. And then, okay, so over here is the separate part of those. So I'll just leave those out. I'll put them away in a bit. And then I got some more clasps, and these are more for doing like purse charms and planner charms. And these are the nice, they swivel around. And I got a variety pack, so I got all different ones in here. There's even like a coppery one and an antique gold there, the silver, and gold. And I think that's probably it. I think it's just the 4 different kinds in there. Alright, so that's in a nice Ziploc bag. And then the last thing I ordered, and I just wanted to see kind of the quality on these. These are necklaces. Let's see where the opening is. I'm terrible at this. There we go. Sideways. Okay. See if I can get one out. Got 2 out. Alright, so these are just like a, it's not leather. It's like a wrapped cloth, wrapped cord. And they're necklaces. And I do not recall, let's see if it says on here. Yeah, it doesn't give me, there's 100 in here, but it doesn't tell me the length of them. So this is something that I was going to make some charms for and make necklaces. And it does have the lobster claw clasp. And it's got a nice long like extender chain. I'd say that's 2 inches. So, and I don't have anything to measure this with right here. So yeah, so that's some of the things I'm gonna work with, and this feels pretty nice. It doesn't feel cheap to me. It feels like a nice thread was used to make this. So it's not leather, but it is a nice coated thread. So I will be back at some point and I will show you some of the crafts that I make with these. So that is what I have, and I'm really happy. These are just really nice. These are nice, and I will try to go back on their website and look up the prices for you, and I will put the link to their store, and I will put the prices for each of these. But all of this stuff together came to around $20, I want to say. So I think just the organza bags themselves, which I think they're just a nice normal quality. They don't feel cheap or anything to me. Those alone I think are probably worth the $20 if you were to order those somewhere else. So alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this, and check out the links below, and I hope you'll go check them out and see all the other craft things that they have at BeeBeeCraft. Thanks so much for watching.